My mom's trying to take cough medicine.
I can't do it.
She made us do it for the past years and years. And now she's not doing it.
This is a crime against humanity. Oh, God, I hate it so much.
It tastes better than it...
No, it doesn't. No, it does not.
It actually is pretty good. It tasted it.
I don't want to take it. Ew, it's on my tongue. I hate it so much. I hate it so much.
Sorry, Mom, you guys.
Oh, it's making me drool.
God, come here!
It's making me drool. I'm gonna spill it all over myself. Oh, it's the worst thing ever. Ugh.
Not the worst thing.
Okay, hold on. Let me just get a drink. Okay, it's just water.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it is water.
Oh, it just made my eyes water just a little tiny bit.
Oh, I can't wait to see what this whole thing is.
Oh, it's soda.
Let me see.
Oh,
That's how much there's in
Look,
there.
it's-
She's so afraid.
oh.
And she's afraid
It's
of that.
10 milliliters of death. Just death.
It's not dead. I would
death.
take it.
I know I'm trying. I really need to take it.
It tastes like a little
I'm
bit
so
of
sick. I can't stand it.
It tastes like a perfume.
I almost would just rather be sick forever. Is it okay if I'm just sick forever?
Oh. Would you rather? Would you rather? Would you rather spend time with me and have a great life,
Yes.
or
I know I've been.
not take that medicine and be sick forever?
Look, I'm sweating. It's freaking me out. I hate cough medicine. You don't even understand. I'm worse than Connor.
Kind of is pretty good.
Ugh, I hate it so much, Callie Ray. Okay, but okay, I'm gonna take it.
Okay. We're good.
Okay. Oh, countdown for me.
10, 9,
Not from 10. That's too long. I'll stop and I'll check it out.
3, 2, chicken.
Okay.
3,
I'm like sweating. Like my hands are shaking. Oh, I hate it.
2.
Hold on, I'm not ready.
I'm still posting something.
Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Ugh. Oh, it burns my guts out. Oh, it's the worst. Oh, it tastes like poop.
How do you know what poop tastes like?
Okay, it tastes like if poop was mixed with alcohol. Oh, like rubbing alcohol. Oh, it's terrible. And
So poop mixed with alcohol.
when we tried to make it fruity,
Mixed with mold.
ugh,
Mixed with mold?
it made my whole like fruity. Oh God. Ugh. Oh, it made my eyes water. Oh, that's the worst thing ever. I hate cough medicine so much. Oh, it's so gross.
My mom's
Oh, it's
reaction
like
of cough
stuck
medicine.
in my throat. It's so horrible.
Take a sip of water.
You're not supposed to drink water. I know better. Oh, I just have to suffer forever. Oh, every 8 hours, I'm gonna die.
At least it's going to be gone before you know it.
Oh, that was putrid. Just putrid and vile. Oh, are you videotaping this whole thing?
Yes.
Oh, you terrible human. Oh my God. Oh.
There's like nothing going on. It's got 0 and it's up. That being said,
Oh, I don't even want to swallow anymore.
Take the whole bottle like
No,
you.
I'll die. I'll go in a coma. It has codeine in it. That'll kill me.
Hi, Mom.
Okay, I'm good now. I have a horrible, rotten taste in my mouth. Okay, I'm gonna take a little sip of water now.
No, it's like.
Oh! I just coughed and it came. Oh, that's so rancid. Ugh. If that doesn't make me fall asleep for at least 8 hours, I'm gonna be so mad. So mad. That better work like Jesus cough syrup. Like hand it over from the good Lord himself to make me feel better. Because nothing should be that vile. That should be just illegal. Oh, whoever invented it. Ugh. We need to write the pharmaceutical companies or something. They gotta do something because it's just wrong. Ugh. Oh, God. Ugh. Look, and I look terrible and I sound worse.
You look nice.
I do. You're so sweet to me. Okay, so it's starting to go away a little bit. I think I can breathe a little now.
Good.
That was the worst thing.
You have a nose like us like that, and like.
What do you mean?
Stuff.
Give me this. You little